Right guys, a little bit different to where we would normally be. Just been walking up along here, this public footpath. There's a nest here that at first looks like a wren's, but in actual fact I think is a robin's. There's no dome on it, so just get the phone over there, have a look, see what's in there, if anything. Looks very robin-like from here. We'll have to review the footage at a better angle, but lovely little nest up there, lovely little find. And let the bird come back. Beautiful find there though, especially for early July. Right then guys, got an absolutely beautiful nest here, absolutely gorgeous wren's nest. You can see it just there. You can see the feathers in there. As I walked around here, I could hear them alarming. And for how good that nest actually is, that is beautiful. Perfectly built into the tree. Absolutely stunning. We're going to have a look inside if we can without doing any damage to it. Look at that, beautiful nest. We'll get the endoscope to count the eggs and then we'll move on. Stunning though. Right guys, it is today the 5th of July. I was just walking along here, noticed that a chiffchaff was calling off nest. So we just sat in the trees over there for ages to watch her back, because this construction is so beautifully hidden and so beautifully done low down here in the brambles. It's absolutely stunning. I don't know if you can see this just here, but that is an amazing little construction there. Let me see if I can get the camera around without harming the nest in any way. So, absolutely beautiful. Can we get in there? That's all. She's got a chick, 2 chicks, a hatched egg, brand newly hatched, and a beautiful clutch. Just hatched out. Absolutely stunning. So it looks like it was a C4, stunningly lined with feathers. And just down here in the brambles, yeah, look at that. Stunning little bird, stunning little nest. We're going to get away now and let her go, but oh, I'm so happy with that. For this time of the year, for the amount of cover that's available, I am very happy with that. Absolutely gorgeous. Just look at where she is. Just tucked away, hidden away in here. Absolutely incredible. Very chuffed.